Hello, sir. This is the third topic, which is combined line graph and bar graph. In this, I'll explain about combined line graph and bar graph. In this diagram, two different data series combined through bar graph and a line graph. Or we can also say that in this data series, two different data series visualized through a line graph or a bar graph. Here, continuous data can be attached with any discrete data for the same time period of a particular place. So this is the combined line graph bar graph. Here we will see some advantages and disadvantages of this graph. So first advantage is we can compare, we can study with comparison. We can compare the graph, bar graph and the line graph. What are the, for example, what is the temperature of this particular area of this time period for this time, and what were the rainfall of this area during this time period. So we can compare with a single graph. We can do a comparative study. This is the advantage of this graph. Disadvantage of this graph is that the data unit along to the y-axis may increase potential of the data, and some of these uses are like to compare the rainfall and the temperature of a particular area. Like if we set up the temperature in x-axis and the month on y-axis, and another rainfall in x-axis, opposite side of the x-axis, which is there. And in this way we can put that all the data and make a diagram of that graph. Here among two data sets, one should be continuous and another should be discrete. And the visualization which I made in this diagram, that is, let's show, this is the graph which I have made it. It is about the temperature and the rainfall of different month of New Delhi. This is the first one, and second one is the scale and profit margin in the different months. So this is the exercise I've done. All about the graph, combined line graph, bar graph. Thank you.